Hey, Namaste. What is pranayama? Why do we have to practice pranayama? And what is the right way of practicing pranayama? And how many types of pranayamas are there? In pranayama, there are two words. One is prana, another one is yama. Prana literally means the vital energy. Yama means restraining or regulation or controlling. When I say prana is the vital energy, how can we restrain? How can we control it? The external manifestation of the prana is our breath. It is said that whatever the thoughts you are getting, these all are because of the vibration of the prana. So that's why if you can control your breath, you can control your prana. If you can control your prana, you can control your mind. If you can control your mind, you can control your thoughts. Pranayama is not just regulating the breath, it is actually working on the vital energy. If you can just look into all the classical scriptures of Hatha Yoga, which are Hatha Yoga Pradipika, Hatha Ratnavali, Gheranda Samhita, Shiva Samhita, Goraksha Samhita, if you just look into these all scriptures, they will say only one thing. The goal of the pranayama is to rise the kundalini, the dormant power. But to rise the kundalini, you have to practice the kumbhaka. What is kumbhaka? Kumbhaka is nothing but restraining the breath. But how should I do it? You should not do it right away. Pranayama is a very vital practice compared to asana. Asana everybody can practice even though he has not at all practiced before. But whereas pranayama, if you want to practice pranayama, you should be having the knowledge of asana first. And before that, if you have some toxins inside your body, you have to get rid of those toxins by practicing Shat Karmas, which are nothing but the 6 cleansing techniques, which I'm not going to talk now. So I'm coming up with a very important videos hereafter on pranayama, one after the other, starting from beginner to all the way to the advanced practitioner. How to practice each and every set of pranayama, how to get into the practice, how to deepen your practice, what are the contraindications, what are the benefits, and how long you need to practice. So stay tuned with our channel. I'll come up with one more video very soon on explaining the details of first pranayama techniques. Namaste. Stay blessed.